Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the screw for your oven. The reason why you'd have to do this is because it's damaged or missing. For this repair, all we'll need is a 1/4" nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we need to go to the back of our oven, so we're going to turn it around. So these screws right here are a little bit different than the one down there. That one's the one we have that's missing. So grab your new OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we're just going to use a 1/4" nut driver, and we're going to put that screw in place. There we go. And now we can turn our stove back around, plug it in, and your repair is complete. A short psychic just broke out of jail. Police are reporting there's a small medium at large. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.